You're the problem here. We've got people out there waiting for their tax returns and you're holding on to it. I get it. Custom Offices has 0% financing on almost everything, and they could buy it now and pay for it later, but we need the money now! If you don't start cooperating, you're gonna have big problems.
In a world where roads fade into the horizon and challenges await at every turn, there emerges a revolution. Anticipation builds. The pulse quickens. The pulse quickens. And then, the grand reveal. With a seamless blend of innovation and strength, these wheels stand as a beacon of unparalleled performance. Brace yourself for a new era. The Anthem turbine has arrived. Where every mile becomes a chapter in your adventure.